Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I present to you the construction of a roulette with sound announcement and RGB LED.
Red.
This is LED 1 and 30. 0 is bonus. Is jackpot. Simple project and funny with sounds and lights.
28. Green.
For construction you need an Arduino Nano board, MP3 mini player, an SD card, mini SD card, 2 speakers, breadboard, jumper wires and addressable LED strip, 30 LEDs and a push button. When push this button, the LED moves very fast, and when release, this LED slowly and finally
5.
stop,
Red.
and the MP3 player announcement the colors and the numbers. Now I try to find the 0 position
26. Blue.
for jackpot. Too fast.
1. Blue.
And
Red. Blue.
this is 0 position jackpot. Three colors, red, blue and green, 0 to 30. 0 is jackpot
1. Red.
and 30 is the last LED. Very funny and very easy project from beginners and more. The construction is simple. I put the LED strip on the cardboard
7. Green.
and the breadboard with the electronic components here. You find in the description you find details about the code and the schematic diagram and more details about this project. Also you find links to another channels with Visuino project. Details about that is in the description. Also you find the code in the Arduino IDE format and library for that.
29. Green.
Upload the code in the Arduino board, and this is all you need. The project is ready for working.
Red.
Thanks for watching.